Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door handle on this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The dishwasher door handle allows you to open and close the dishwasher door safely and securely. It also helps you apply even pressure when closing the door so the door can latch and seal properly. Over time, the handle can loosen, crack, or break at the mounting points from repeated use or impact. When this happens, the handle may feel loose, pull away from the door, or fail to open the door smoothly. Replacing a damaged door handle restores proper door operation and ensures the dishwasher can be opened and closed as intended. If you need to purchase a replacement door handle for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a 1/8 and 3/16 inch Allen wrenches. To remove the door handle, locate the 1/8 inch hex set screws on the bottom of each side of the handle. Use the 1/8 inch Allen wrench to loosen each set screw until the handle can be removed from the door. You do not need to remove the set screws from the handle. If you need a replacement door handle, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact match. The new door handle will come with 2 plastic pieces attached to either end of the handle. Loosen each set screw to remove these pieces before installing the new door handle. Do not remove the set screws from the handle. Discard the plastic pieces. Use the 3/16 Allen wrench to be sure that the door handle mounting studs are snug before installing the new door handle. Put the new door handle on the mounting studs with the set screws facing the bottom of the door panel. Tighten each set screw while being sure that the door handle stays flush with the door panel. Test the handle to be sure that it is securely in place. Your appliance is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's repair. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.